Designing a brand isn't just about fonts or colors, it's about translating feeling into form. Melt & Co wasn't just another dessert brand, it was built to redefine how indulgence feels. Before visuals, we dive deep into meaning. The brand's purpose was to help food lovers rediscover ice cream made from real ingredients and natural sweetness. No refined sugar, no shortcuts, only honest indulgence. Now let's understand the audience. Melt & Co speaks to a new generation, people in their mid-20s to early 30s. They are creative, lives in cities and love trying new things. For them, weekend means cafe hopping, desert hunts and discovering brands that feel genuine. For them, indulgence is mindful, great taste but with real ingredients and honest care. Designing for them meant creating a brand that feels crafted, not manufactured. Now let's move on to Moodboard. When creating the moodboard, my goal was to define how Melt & Co should feel before how it looks. I focused on the brand's core, natural ingredients, gentle sweetness and honest indulgence, and chose visuals that reflected warmth and sincerity. Every image had intent. Texture shows handcrafted quality, packaging shows premium simplicity, and lifestyle shots add human connection. From there, the palette took shape. Soft creams, warm caramel, rich red, and hint of freshness, building a visual world that feels modern, comforting, and authentic. Now let's move on to logo design. Before moving into digital design, I began with logo sketching to explore form and flow. This stage helped me capture the natural rhythm of melting shape and refine how each letter could feel both elegant and friendly. After finalizing the first letter, I started searching for typeface that complemented it. Something that felt premium, smooth and warm, just like the essence of ice cream. And that's when I discovered Qyore Serif. I explored other serif options, but Qyore resonated most with the brand. Its crafted curves and refined structure perfectly matched with the tone of Melt & Co. I then paired it with custom M I designed, creating a seamless blend of personality and polish. To maintain flexibility, I developed several logo variations. The primary logo for packaging and branding visuals, the secondary version with the tagline for storytelling, and a standalone M monogram for social media and smaller applications. Together, they form a cohesive identity system, consistent, adaptable, and unmistakably Melt & Co. This was the foundation where flavor met feeling. Melt & Co found its story in softness and sincerity. Next, we bring it to life through packaging and brand campaign design.